What's good, YouTube? It's srt.javanti. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to do a FLYBY'S and REV'S with the CORSA Extreme Valve catback exhaust that I installed in the last video. I know we did a little bit of REV'S, but I know you guys wanted to see this in action, see how loud it really is. In my opinion, it wasn't that loud. The exhaust is louder than stock, but it's not exactly how I thought it was that I seen in videos. But we did do a 2-hour drive to a canyon drive to do a little bit of canyon driving, and then after we came back, it definitely got louder, I guess because the exhaust is finally broken in, and now I'm excited to do this video so you know how it really sounds. Now we're going to do a remote start to get that cool start to see how loud it got. That's why it's kind of quiet a little bit now, but you definitely hear that echo more. You hear that more muscle car sound to it now. But now it's running idling. It's warm now, so this is what it's going to sound like when it's warm. About to do a couple revs, show you how loud it gets, and then after that we're going to do some flybys. I know this is probably not the best place to do flybys because all this debris on the ground, it's a place to do it, but right now it's a good place to do some revs, so you don't mess with anybody, there's nobody here, so do some revs, some loud revs. The Rode mic on the big camera, so you definitely want to hear a lot more than what I usually use as a GoPro, so this is going to sound a lot more better for the sound clips.
That thing's screaming out. Yo, we picked the best location because as y'all can see, geez Louise, this thing screams out now. Oh my gosh. I know, now I see why they call it extreme. You ready? You want to hear it? And give them your intake, your thing. Have you ever heard it?
Outside, not really.
You're not really? Oh bro, it screams out. So go ahead and start recording. You want
definitely loud. I'm sorry for anybody that I did flybys past because your eardrums are no longer working. Because in the car, it don't seem that loud, but especially outside, you're definitely doing eardrum damage to people.
This thing is loud, man. This thing popping. Yo, Corsa, y'all killed it. Oh man. You wanna give him a little lights green? Give him a little run through the gears? And it has no drone too.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how you guys like the Corsa Extreme exhaust on the Charger. And the link for the exhaust will be in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.